Hi everybody, it's Stacy here with the January Flavor of the Month card kit by Scrapping for Less. This is the unboxing video, and the theme for the month of January 2018 is Coffee, Craft, Repeat. Totally cute theme. So let's go ahead and get started. Mine came in this package, and we'll go ahead and show the cardstock first. Of course, it'll come packaged and protected in some cardboard. You're going to get 4 envelopes, one for each of the 4 collections, and you're going to get, of course, the 4 white index. This is Nina 110 pound white index. So you're going to get those 4 sheets. You're going to get a sheet of this. It's like speckled. It's like an ivory, but it's got like speckles in it. Very cute. And this is like a craft. Mine's got a little smudge on it, but this is like a craft compared to the ivory, you can see. And this one's got speckles in it too. Kind of a more natural type of paper. And then you've got a pink. And this is kind of like an olive green or a sage green. So those are the 4 color combinations. So they're coffee colors. So that's really cute. Before I get started, starting January 2018, and you might have already known this if you watched last month's unboxing video, but through all of 2017, Kim and Teresa took a real close look at the card kit program, and they did a lot of looking into and statistics and all that, and they've come to find out that the double dip and the banana split were the 2 highest, most important, and highest selling kits. The single scoop, which was just the paper and the stamps, was way at the bottom, and the deluxe that just added a die was kind of second from the bottom. So they decided to just go strictly with these 2 kits, the double dip and the banana split. And the double dip gets you everything that was in the single scoop before, plus the embellishment packs. And the banana split gets you everything. Includes that extra die that was in with the deluxe. So that's the whole shebang. So you'll get these 2 to choose from going forward, either in the month-to-month one-time purchase, or to save yourself a little more money, you can sign up for a subscription. And the minimum subscription time is a 3-month subscription. After you've fulfilled your 3 months, you can then sign up again if you'd like. And you do save quite a bit of more money going with the subscription than if you were to go month to month and buy. So, but those are your 2 choices, double dip and banana split. And you have one-time purchase or subscription. All right, so I'm going to kind of leave these fanned out on my thing so you can kind of continue to see the colors. And let's go with kit collection number 1. And going forward, your kits are going to be numbered so you'd know which one is which, and you can match it right up to your sheet. And in this case, collection number 1 is called Crazy for Coffee. And in that one, the paper is called Crazy for Coffee, and it's by Your Next Stamp. And it is single-sided. Very cute browns, and looks like a little bit of hot pink in there. Oh, yep, there's the pink. So that's the 6 papers. And you're going to get, the stamp set is by Deep Red, and it's called Coffee with Friends. A cup of coffee shared with friends is happiness tasted and time well spent. And it's a red rubber, and it's mounted on foam. It's a pretty good size stamp. Takes up my palm. So that's your stamp set. And it says you're going to get some enamel dots. So you get a strip of some enamel dots. Mine are brown. Yours could vary in color. And you're going to get some Mrs. Grossman's 3D coffee and donut stickers. These feel like metal almost. They have a gold raised edge and they're epoxy. Very cute. And then you're going to get your, of course, your exclusive sequin mix from Kennedy Grace. This kit is the only way to get these sequin mixes. They're not produced any other way. So this one's got some browns and creams and pinks, different shades of pink. So that is the Crazy for Coffee kit or collection. That's collection number 1. I won't put these back in this bag right now. I'll save that time. All right, collection number 2 is called Cream and Sugar. I think this one's my favorite, but only because it's got Doodlebug in it. And you know me, I'm a Doodlebug freak. Plus that stamp set is just too adorable. All right, so Cream and Sugar by Doodlebug, and this one is double-sided. Get some cut-aparts. Very cute. And then you get the stamp set is from Pink and Maine called Neat Coffee. Isn't that so cute? Look at her little bunny slippers. I can't wait to color this one up. This is adorable. I think this is my favorite stamp set yet of all the kits. I love this stamp. Any friend of coffee is a friend of mine. I'm okay. I have caffeine. Just add coffee. And then get a little coffee cup down here. So this is so cute. And this again is another large stamp. I want to say it's a 3x4. Very cute. And then it says you got a half of an icon sticker sheet from Doodlebug. And you know those sheets are like 12 inches long. So you're getting a 6x6 approximately of stickers. Really good healthy amount of stickers. And then you are getting donut or coffee paper clips. Nope, that's number 3. Number 2. Coffee and donut clips by Doodlebug. These are their doodle clips. So you're getting a selection of those. Donuts or coffee. And then, of course, your sequin mix. And this one's called Cream and Sugar. Oh, that's pretty. It's got some lime green and hot pink and light blue and brown and yellows. All of the colors that are in here. Isn't that gorgeous? All right, so that is the kit number 2, Cream and Sugar. All right, kit number 3, or collection number 3. These sequins say kit, but they will start coming as collection on there. The whole thing is a kit, but each individual one of these is a collection. This one is, the paper is called Homespun by My Favorite Things. And it looks like it's plaids. No, plaid, gingham. That's kind of like a, I can't hardly tell if it's like a slate, it's like a gray / really pale purple peach. Kind of a turquoise mint. That's kind of more of a brown. This one is a pink, and that one's more of a turquoise. So that's a minty. When you get them side by side, you can tell. And then the stamp is by Greeting Farm called Perk Up. That is really cute. Wake up and enjoy today. Perk up. Let's catch up. It's got some steam in the shape of a heart. It's got 2 sets of smiley faces that you can put on the cups. And then it's got a heart. That is cute. And that's another 3x4 stamp set. And then it says you're getting a donut or coffee clip. And this is it's like a bobby pin almost. But it's a clip. Like for your planners. And I got a donut. You got a little face on him. And then it says you're getting donut flake stickers. So then I got some stickers here. And it matches this collection by Paper House Studio. This is by Paper House Studio. And the donut clip matches my donut sticker. Isn't that cute? That's very cute. So you're getting some stickers. And then, of course, the sequin mix. This one's called Homespun. Ooh, that one's pretty. I wonder if that purple's more like a wisteria color. Teals and greens and pinks and peaches and grayish or a wisteria type purple. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. Love that collection. That was collection number 3. All right, now collection number 4. This one is High Five by We Are Memory Keepers. That's the paper. And this collection is called High Five. So these are single-sided. These kind of more on the masculine, except for that flower pattern. That's kind of neat, that brick wall. And then get some raccoons. So that is the paper. And the stamp set is by Avery L. Ooh, look at that. That is cute. I love the font. This is called Cool Beans. Nice size cup. And then it's got the wrap. And it's got some beans and a heart. Another heart and the steam. Another bean. And it says, I love you a latte. Thanks a latte. Cool beans. There's another heart. Happy birthday. Perk up. Let's venti. And then down here it says, better latte than never. That is adorable. And that is another 3x4 stamp set. And then it says you're getting twine. So you're getting out. And this is the thick twine. Almost like, I'm not sure if this is the lawn fawn trimmings twine, but it's thick. It'll hold its shape. And then you're getting some fabric flowers, and these almost look like they were tea dyed or coffee stained. They're the tans and browns. So you're getting a collection of flowers. And then, of course, your sequin mix. And this one's called High Five, and it's got some greens and some really dark browns and some yellows. Very cute. So that was collection number 4. All right, so that everything I just showed you is the double dip. That's what you're going to get for the double dip. Now, if you sign up for the banana split, you're going to get this whole extra pack of goodies. And you'll get a little sweet. And you're going to get a full ink pad. And this one is in the color chocolate brown. And does everybody get that brown? It says you do. Chocolate brown ink pad. And then you get another stamp set. And this one's from Altenew. And it says Coffee Craft Repeat. And it's the, like, when you set your coffee cup down and you got the coffee ring on your table. It's the coffee ring with the splatters. And that is, does it say what it's called? It just says Coffee Ring Stamp by Altenew. And then you're going to get the die. This is the Paper Smooches coffee cup die. It's got a heart and a couple of coffee beans. That's very cute. That one's called Cozy Coffee. And that's a pretty good size die. And then you're going to get a shaker, coffee cup shaker and shaker cup. So you're getting the shaker pouch with the coordinating card that goes with it to make your own shaker card, and then another envelope that goes with this card. So here's a shaker card all ready to go. You just decorate it and throw in your sequins. How fun is that? So all these items are the banana split. Everything that I've showed you plus this extra package of goodies makes up the banana split. All right, make sure you stop on over. The blog hop is at the end of the month. It's always the last Saturday of the month. And the download sheet will be available after the kit is revealed. The download sheet for the ingredient list will be available on the website. Just go to the downloads tab. And then also the sketch sheet. These are just suggested sketches that Teresa and Kim put together. By all means, you don't have to use them. Do whatever you want with your kit. It's totally your choice. But these are just some ideas that they put together. And you will see the design team using these sketches on the blog hop. And this sheet will also be available for download on the download tab at the website. And I went ahead and did all the measurements, figured them all out. So you'll get all them ready to go, and that sheet will be available. So thank you for stopping, and make sure you go over to the Scrapping for Less website and check out the kit and sign up for a subscription. and guarantee yourself one of these awesome kits. This is going to be so much fun. I don't drink coffee, but lots of my friends do, so I am so excited to make a whole bunch of cards to give out to my friends. Thank you, everybody, and happy crafting.